In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DPI in Affinity. If you've ever needed your design to look crisp in print or optimized for the web, adjusting DPI, short for dots per inch, makes a big difference. Think of DPI as a print density setting. Higher numbers mean more detail per inch on paper. For web and screen use, DPI won't change how an image looks on your monitor, but for print, common targets are around 300 DPI for quality output. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer and loading the document you want to adjust. With your file open, head to the top left of the screen and choose the document menu. This is where Affinity keeps your canvas and page-related options. From there, select Setup. That opens a panel dedicated to your document's foundational settings like size, units, and orientation, so you can make changes without digging through multiple menus. Inside the Setup window, click on Resize. This section is designed specifically for changing how your document's size and resolution relate to each other. You'll see fields for width and height, often shown in inches or millimeters, and a field labeled DPI or dots per inch. This DPI control is the key to telling Affinity how tightly to pack pixels when your work is printed. Click into the DPI field and type the new value you need. If you're preparing something for print, a common setting is 300 DPI. For screen-only graphics, 72 or 96 DPI is typical, though remember that screens care more about pixel dimensions than DPI. As you change the DPI, keep an eye on the readouts for size. In most workflows, you'll want to understand whether you're changing just the print scale or also asking Affinity to resample pixels. Changing DPI without resampling preserves your pixel count and simply alters how large the image prints. Changing DPI with resampling can add or remove pixels to match the new density, which can affect clarity if you push it too far. When you're happy with the DPI value, click Resize to apply the change. Affinity will update the document based on your selection, and you'll see the revised resolution reflected in the setup information. That's the entire process. Open the app, go to Document, choose Setup, move into Resize, change the DPI, and confirm with Resize. A quick tip before we wrap up: decide your target output early. For print, aim for a higher DPI from the start to avoid later upscaling. For digital projects, focus on pixel dimensions first, since DPI doesn't change on-screen quality. And there you have it. Your DPI is updated and ready for its final destination.